Warren Buffett's famous for saying that sometimes the direction of the tide matters more than the swimmer or the strength of the swimmer. And so making sure when you're analyzing the market, you see where all the momentum is going and where things are inevitably going to go. You just have to be careful. If you think, oh wow, this for sure is going to be big one day, and it's really, really early right now, you might starve while you wait for it to become big. People told me when I started Family Office Club that I was wasting my time. It wasn't a real industry. It wasn't going to go anywhere. And it worked out, but we're in some niches that, like the centimillionaire niche. A lot of people don't know what the word centimillionaire means. It means 100 million plus net worth family. We bought centimillionaires.com. We wrote the first book on centimillionaires. We've done 20 different podcast interviews on it. If you search on Google centimillionaire, you'll see us all over the place in that little sandbox, but only like 1,000 people a month even search for the term on Google. Meanwhile, the billionaire niche, very mature. Bloomberg has 12 full-time journalists covering billionaires. They don't have one full-time journalist covering centimillionaires. But in the future, we bet that changes. So we think that's a tide that's growing. But if our whole business was based on that, then it'd be a struggle. So it's something just to watch out for when you're analyzing the market of like what's going to be big, but let's not put all of our eggs in that basket if it's really out there and it's 10, 20 years from now. And then the CEO of Under Armour puts it a different way. He says, what is inevitable, you can expedite. So if you know some trend is coming in your industry and it's picking up steam and you can help press that trend, then you can be on the forefront of the evolution of your space, like doing something that's performance-based or doing something where the investor wins first or doing something in how you structure the deal or negotiate deals, et cetera, and be part of that change instead of resisting it if you know it's coming and it's inevitable.